With taxes due on April 15th, it's easy to get confused by the filing process. Don't panic. We're going to break down everything you'll need to do in order to file on time. First, you'll need to organize all of your documents. Gather last year's tax return, your Social Security number, W-2, and/or your 1099. Next, you should determine if you need to file a state tax return in addition to your federal tax return. Most states require this. It's important that you pace yourself. Dividing up the work over several days can help you from becoming overwhelmed, and it's essential to filing on time. Seeking help for your taxes is also an option. Choosing between an enrolled agent and online software is typically the best option for most filers. Enrolled agents can assist with tax confusion and must pass an exam by the U.S. Department of Treasury. Tax preparation software brings convenience and accessibility to the process. Form 1040 is the document you will need to submit to the IRS for your tax return. If you choose to e-file, the tax prep software will autofill the document using your responses. Starting at the top, you will need to fill in your full name, Social Security number, address, and check which filing status applies to you. Next, you will fill in any dependents if necessary, and then determine which deductions you are eligible for. Deductions reduce the amount of your income that is taxed. These deductions are determined by a set of factors outlined in the document. Most people will take the standard deduction. For example, the standard deduction for a person whose filing status is marked as single would be $12,200. That means that $12,200 worth of your income cannot be taxed. Next, you will determine any refunds on your tax return. If you overpaid, you can have this money refunded to you through either check or direct deposit. Alternatively, if you owe money, you will need to send this to the IRS by April 15th. Be sure to keep a copy of your tax return, as well as any other documents after filing. This is good practice and will help make filing next year more manageable. Congratulations, you are now ready to master tax season.